Okay, we're looking at a pair of work boots that I recently repaired. I had worn holes through the toes in the leather of each boot. So I took an old inner tube from a bike, cut it up, and put these patches on with contact cement. And then I had some leftover silicone lying around, so I just kind of sealed up the edges with silicone. Then on the bottom of this boot, it was getting really thin right here, but it hadn't worn through yet, so I just contact cemented that little rubber patch on there. And then the heels, I built them back up with shoe goo, which I've had good luck with in the past, so hopefully that will work well on these boots. This boot had actually worn right through down to the leather in the sole here, so I put this small patch that you see outlined here on there. And then once that was dry, I put shoe goo on top of it. I probably should have done those the opposite, but I had the idea later on. So I had the rubber patch, then I put shoe goo to fill it in. And then once that dried, I put a whole nother piece of inner tube rubber over all of that. So hopefully that will let me get a few more miles out of these boots until I can find a replacement for them.